Hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 22. So in lecture number 22, let us begin with question number 1. Question number 1 asks, which one of the following statements is not correct? Let us read the question now. A, B, C, D, E belong to 5 different cities, that is P, Q, R, S and T, which are not necessarily in that order. Each one of them comes from a different city. Further, it is given that few conditions are given. You need to find out which of them are correct, incorrect, right? Which one is incorrect? So let us make a table for this. The best approach is the tabular approach. A, B, C, D, E are the 5. A, B, C, D, E are the 5 persons, and the cities available are P, Q, R, S, and T. In this case, if you make a table, what happens is the elimination becomes faster. How? Let us see now. B and C do not belong to Q. Be very careful when it is given that do not. अगर यहाँ पे do आ गया, so we tend to use the do not part again in fourth statement, which will make the question, the answer wrong, right? So यहाँ पे तो do not है, so be very careful in this case. Now B and C do not belong to Q. B and C do not belong to Q. Clear? यहाँ पे पूछा है कि which is not correct. अगर थोड़ा ऑप्शंस देखे होंगे पहले से ही, तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा आंसर? B belongs to S. So B belongs to S is incorrect. Your answer is D, without solving the question directly from the first statement. But अगर आप इसको नहीं देखोगे, जो मैंने बताया था, you have to see the statement, you have to solve the problem as well as see the options simultaneously. Okay, so what will happen is it will save your time in this question. Now see, if you're going to solve this question also, you will get the same answer. How? B and C do not belongs to Q, so Q eliminated here. B and E do not belongs to P and R. B do not belongs to P as well as R. E do not belong to P and R. E does not belongs to P and R. A and C do not belongs to RST. A and C do not belongs to R, S and T. R, S and T. So obviously D belongs to R. D belongs to R. This is a correct statement. Next is D and E do not belongs to Q and T. तो D यहाँ पे तो नहीं होगा. And E do not belongs to Q and T. So E belongs to S. यहाँ पे E का बात नहीं हो रहा है, but E belongs to S. C belongs to P. C belongs to P. If C belongs to P, then A won't come here. It's like Sudoku. You're gonna solve it. ये यहाँ पे भी नहीं आएगा. B belongs to T and A belongs to Q. A belongs to Q is correct. C belongs to P is also correct. Got it? Going to the next problem. In this question, it is given that 7 men A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are standing in a queue in that order. So A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are standing in that order. Each one is wearing a cap of different color. Okay. Keyword like violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. That is with here. D is able to see in front of him green and blue. D is able to see in front of him green and blue. तो ये green हो सकता है, ये green हो सकता है, ये green हो सकता है, और this can be blue, this can be blue, this can be blue, right? That means this cannot be green, this cannot be green. इसके नीचे D के पीछे वाले या खुद D भी cannot be green or cannot be blue. Clear? Now, but not violet. So that means the chance of being violet is options available are this. क्योंकि D अगर खुद violet क्या पहना है, D cannot see the violet, right? E can see violet and yellow. E can see violet. That means ये violet नहीं होगा. अगर E खुद violet देख पा रहा है या रही है, तो यहाँ पे men है, so देख पा रहा है, then what will happen? This cannot be violet. this cannot be violet, and this cannot be violet. So violet has to be D. So D का विप violet हो गया. पूछा है what is the cap worn by F. Now E can see violet and yellow. अगर E can see violet and yellow, so this can be yellow. Got it? What is the cap worn by F? F cannot be violet. और कुछ eliminate हो पा रहा है? नहीं. E can see violet and yellow but not red. That means this has to be red. This 3 can be red. G can see all caps of all colors other than orange. So G can see all caps other than orange means this has to be orange. अगर G के पास orange है, so orange is eliminated. E is wearing an indigo colored cap. E is wearing an indigo colored cap. वैसे भी V blue is eliminated because blue यहाँ पे ही होगा. Now what is the color of F? That has to be red. Clear? Going to the next problem. It's a very easy question. Now going to the next problem. 6 books are labeled A, B, C, D, E and F and are placed side to side. A, B, C, D, E and F. And they are placed side to side. Again tabular approach. Now it says books B, C, E and F have green covers. B has green, C has green, green and green. While others have yellow covers. Yellow and yellow. Question पूछा है कि 2 books are old medical extracts and have green covers. तो green कहाँ पे है? B, C, E and F. B, C, E, F, C, E, C, F. Okay. Now this is the way I see the question as well as the option simultaneously. एक साथ देखते रहना है हर एक try में बीच बीच में. Have green covers while others have yellow covers. हो गया. Books A, B and D are new while the rest are old volumes. A, B, D are new. A, B, D are new while the others are old. क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि ओल्ड होना चाहिए, तो ओल्ड आंसर सी डी एफ होना चाहिए. सी एंड एफ. ई जहां पे होगा एलिमिनेटेड, एलिमिनेटेड, एलिमिनेटेड. आंसर कैन बी बी भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि ओल्ड है ना. ओल्ड 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 इज देयर इन सी ई एंड एफ. C, E and F. Any combination having C, E and F can be the answer. B नहीं होगा, so eliminated. This will be your answer. C and F. And if you want to solve also, you can do it. A, B, C are reports. A, B, C are law reports, while these are medical extracts. Question has asked you old medical extracts having green cover. Old medical having green cover. So your answer is D. Coming to the next problem. The question says, a question paper must have question on one of the 8 poets, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. First 4 belong to the medieval period. These 4 are medieval, while these are modern. Generally, modern poets figure in the question paper in alternate years. That means medieval will come in also in the alternate years. That means the sequence has to be this. Or it can be like this. This is for my explanation, but it doesn't require here. It's not required here. Now, generally those who like H like G also. And those who like F like E also. The paper setter doesn't like to ask about F as he has written a book on F, but he likes E. Right? F and E. Clear? So F cannot be the answer because it has asked you on the basis of the information given. This year paper is most likely to contain a question on what? So F won't come. Why? Because the person doesn't like to ask about F but also likes E. So E has a chance of being the answer. Last year the paper contained a question paper on A. If the question paper was on medieval, that means this year the medieval question won't come. So answer has to be modern. E, F, G or H. E हो सकता है, H हो सकता है. C cannot be the answer. C is also eliminated. Answer remains E and H. A question setter cannot give F because the person has written a book on F but likes E. So your answer would be E. Because you have two possible choices, that is E and H. Out of that, which one the question paper will, the examiner will, the paper setter will choose? The paper setter will choose the paper, the question on the topic that the paper setter likes. So there are two things, E and F. But F का question वो देना नहीं चाहता है because the person has written a book on it. So the answer would be E, which is the best possible answer in this case. Coming to the next question, a group of 6 women. What we have to find, if Pooja is an actress, who among the following is certainly a dancer and a violinist? So dancer होना चाहिए, violinist होना चाहिए. So that means Pooja is an actress. So Pooja is eliminated because Pooja cannot be the answer. Because Pooja is an actress. Okay. Who among the following is certainly a dancer and a violinist? हो सकता है. Because Pooja can be actress as well as a dancer as well as a violinist. Let's see. But Girija and Vanaja are among the violinists, while Jalaja and Sailaja do not know how to play violin. So Jalaja and Sailaja, if presented in the options, cannot be the answer. Jalaja, Sailaja, because they don't know how to play the violin. Sailaja and Tanuja are among the dancers. Sailaja and Tanuja are among the dancers. So chances of Tanuja being the answer is possible. Clear? गिरिजा एंड वनजा आर अमंग द वायलिनिस्ट, बट गिरिजा वनजा की बात नहीं हो रहा है. शैलजा एंड तनुजा आर अमंग द डांसर्स, तो तनुजा इज स्टिल अ डांसर एज वेल एज अ वायलिनिस्ट. तो सटनली हो गया, तनुजा विल बी द आंसर. डांसर है और वायलिनिस्ट भी है, तो दैट विल बी देयर आंसर, राइट? लेट अस प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. The letters L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T in their order are substituted by 9 integers 1 to 9, but not in that order. 4 is assigned to P. 4 is assigned to P. The difference between P and T is 5. That means T will be 9. The difference between N and T is 3. That means N will be 6. What is the integer assigned to N? 6. Clear? Coming to the next problem. If he attends, he means George here, attends just one subject in a day and Sunday is free, then he is also free on which day? George attends music classes on Monday. That means Monday का भी आंसर नहीं होगा, because that means George is occupied on Monday. He attends mathematics classes on Wednesday. So mathematics on Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Clear? George attends music classes on Monday. This will be music. So Monday cannot be the answer. Mathematics classes on Wednesday. So Wednesday is also occupied. Literature classes are not on Friday. Literature classes are not on Friday. That means literature class can come here or here or here. He attends history classes on the day following the day of his mathematics classes. That means this has to be history. On Tuesday, he attends his sports classes. Tuesday agar sports hai, so literature will come here. That means the person George is free on Friday. Clear? This is the basic fundamental approach you can do to solve the question quite easily without complicating the things. So with this, we end today's lecture. We'll see you again in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. Jai Hind.